I'm sure you've heard the news. The Caribbean is more than just stunning beaches. It's home to some truly amazing creatures. From Antigua and Barbuda, we have the rare Antiguan Racer and the elegant red-billed Tropicbird. In the Bahamas, the Nassau Grouper and the Bahamian Rock Iguana rule the reefs and rocks. Over in Barbados, you'll spot the playful Barbados Green Monkeys and the tiny, vibrant sugarbirds. Cuba boasts the critically endangered Cuban Crocodile and the charming Cuban Tody. Dominica's Ciceroo, Parrot and Daggerwing Butterfly add a splash of colour to the forests. The Dominican Republic is home to the nocturnal Hispaniolan Solenodon and the lively Hispaniolan Tody. Grenada shelters the rare Grenada dove and the majestic green sea turtle. In Haiti, keep an eye out for the elusive Hispaniolan manatee and the golden Hispaniolan gold sphinx moth. Jamaica's unique Jamaican Tody and critically endangered Jamaican iguana are a must-see. St. Kitts and Nevis feature the green vervet monkey and the Nevisian pigeon. St. Lucia's vibrant Jacot and Lucian white-breasted thrasher are birdwatchers' dreams. Finally, St. Vincent and the Grenadines host the endangered St. Vincent parrot and the distinctive Grenadine-banked lizard. Trinidad and Tobago wrap up our tour with the scarlet ibis and the giant leatherback sea turtle. These amazing animals showcase the rich biodiversity of the Caribbean. So next time you visit, make sure to look beyond the beaches